Hello, I thought it was time for an update on last week and the upcoming week. This is the second one of these. So first of all, this is my close information. I always have a look at the close information. So there hasn't been too much change to the trade which we're carrying over from the first half of 2016. That's still open, so there's no change to the numbers there. Regarding the sort of second half of 2016, so this is the numbers I'm focusing on at the moment. We started with an account size of 5,000 and we've actually had two trades close out last week, one of which was a US 31, which can't believe it carried on rallying as hard as it did, and the other was Euro GBP trade, and we got caught out in the volatility there when it looked like it might have been going to run. So yeah, I lost about 1% that week on that one. Okay, so moving on from that, what have we got coming up next week? Let's just see if this website of mine is working. So I should be able to click on this. Yeah, okay. So there's nothing I really have to do for next week, but I've got some various notes on things. I've got an update, a stop on silver. Silver's still hopefully going on a bit of a run. Hang on, that's gold. You want silver? No, that is silver. Yeah, so we're hoping that silver will carry on going on a run. It's been kind of heading up steadily. It looks like it wants to roll over, to be honest, and go short, but we'll keep trading up, see if it does that or does anything else. What else have we got in there? Yeah, I've currently got quite a lot of exposure to NZD trades. They are ticking along fairly okay though. Like if we have a look, where's NZD Jappy, so it's Kiwi Japan. Yeah, I mean, we're starting to see some movement there. I'm going to try and take some risk off the table for Kiwi over the next a week, because I have realised that, as I've noted there, I've got quite a lot going on. Going forward, what have we got? We've got quite a few things coming up. Well, we've got one thing which I would be looking at. So there's a European Central Bank rate decision on Thursday, so that will no doubt shunt us sideways. It'll be interesting to see if these other ones play out. They are the high events, obviously, but I'd be keeping an eye on Euro particularly, and all trades, to be honest, on Thursday. So what's coming up? We've got some of the equities are looking like they should want to be going short again. So UK 100 looks like that it might be starting to roll over, but it's certainly not there yet. I've got an order there waiting for it if it does want to. Aussie, where are we? Aussie 200 is looking similar. You can't see it so well on the daily, but on the 8 hourly, it's starting to go that way. You can see it a bit clearer on the 6 hourly. So it'll be interesting to see if they do roll over. Obviously, there's the US trade I was in last week. That's probably starting to not quite look bearish, but it's there, and I got kind of stopped out right there. So I'm trying to keep my emotions under control for that one, because it will have been to a few pips. Anything else we want to talk about? Yeah, I mean, there are a few other things going on. USD Jappy, what have we got in there? USD Jappy, why can't I see you? There you go, right up there. Yeah, so that's been in quite a good sort of downtrend, and I think it might continue, might be rolling over. So I'll probably be looking for a way to get in short on this, maybe using the 2 hour chart. Not certain. See how it does. I don't like it when it moves too quick, too fast. So I'm just keeping an eye on that. Similar setup with the GBP Jappy, although GBP, I've already got money on the table for GBP at the moment. And yeah, other than that, there's not too much. So there's a couple of Jappy trades there. There's an Aussie Swissy trade I've noted down here, which I can't remember, which I may be doing something with. Yeah, I mean, it's just maybe hit a top, maybe rolling over, so I'm just keeping an eye on it. But I mean, there's no obvious orders to put out at the moment. I guess we'll just see how the week plays out. I've got plenty of trades open, as I said. Let me get that over there. Sorry, it's on there. Oh yeah, here we go. No, it is over here now. Yeah, so I've got plenty of trades open, lots of exposure to the Kiwi, so I'm going to try and take some of that off the table. We'll just see how it goes. So I think it could be an exciting week. Yeah, I will see you when I see you. Hope you had a good weekend. I'm off to play golf soon. It doesn't get more tradery than that, does it? Cheers, y'all.